Today we're going to be making a couple of stands for some optics experiments that I want to try out. I don't really know very much about optics, and I've got a couple of old lenses and things from old cameras, and I'd love to try and just learn a little bit more about, well, I guess how light works. So we're making a couple of stands to hold some pieces. These are printed flat with supports, as you can see, quite a lot of support. I've seen some of the comments that suggest I should probably print these at an angle. I've found that printing them flat, they tend to hold dimensional tolerance better than when printed at an angle. It also saves printing time. Here I'm cleaning up the threaded hole with an M3 tap. The hole is threaded in the model, but I find that cleaning it up with the tap before doing the final cure just makes it that much easier down the line. Here's the screw going in, it's an M3 screw. And here you can see the leveling action. Here's the second part that's coming off the bed. And you can see the slightly modified base design, but same basic idea for the way it's supported and printed. I modified the base design and hollowed out the stem just to save a little bit of resin. The defect that you see there is from a hole in my FEP, so we'll be doing a video on replacing the FEP soon, but you can see the modified base there more clearly. Here's the screw going in, get an M3 screw. Here fitting in a lens. This is from an old camera lens from the 1970s. And that's my daughter working in the workshop. So you get the basic idea.
It's white and dry.
You can see how the optics will line up. That's just a cheap laser pointer. And if anything comes of this, I may do a couple more videos, but for now, this is really just to satisfy my own curiosity. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please subscribe.